Hey everyone, it's time for our weekly market report for the real estate market. We're going to be looking today at Belmont and Gaston County, and then we're going to also look at Charlotte. So, kind of a close in view of Belmont, which is where I am located, and then we're going to zoom out. Of course, where the entire market in this area is really strong, doing really great, and the numbers continue to show that, continue to give us indications that this is a trend that's going to continue well into 2021. So I'm going to make this bigger and give you the numbers, let you know what's happening out there. So we're going to start with Belmont. Belmont, this is for the past 7 days. Belmont has seen 74 homes for sale. That's 74 homes on the market right now in Belmont. There's only been 15 new listings. So again, this is what we're seeing. This is the trend. I know you might get tired of hearing me say it, but this is the trend. There is a very low supply of homes, and there's a very high demand for them. People aren't listing their homes at the same rates that we've seen in the past. So this is a low number. It's even down from the weekly averages in November. Average days on market in Belmont is really good. Only 56 days on the market is the average for a home in Belmont. That it's insane. And it's actually that's a lot higher, or maybe I should say a lot lower. It's a lot lower number than what we see in the surrounding area. So Belmont is a real hot spot for listings right now. There is a very low demand. So if you're in Belmont and you've been thinking about buying your home, you want to get top dollar, this is the time to do it. Make your move. This is your investment. So make your move, list that home. Let's get it sold for you. Let's get some equity cashed out and in your pocket. Average home price in Belmont is up from November. Average is looking to be $422,079. Moving on to Gaston County. Gaston County currently only 282 homes on the market. Very similar to Belmont, countywide, 53 new listings. Excuse me, let me go back to that. 53 new listings. And the average day on the market is a little higher overall for the county, but still super low. We're still seeing homes get under contract and close quickly just by virtue of the nature of the market right now. Average days on market, 71. Average home price for the Belmont, or for Gaston County, $313,773. I also want to say, while I'm doing this, I do have my comment section, I think, is now fixed. So if you have a question, you can comment on the feed you're watching on. I know this is going out to a couple of different outlets, but you can certainly ask a question there, and I'll be happy to answer it. And if I don't have the answer, I will get in touch with you privately, and we can discuss your question at that point. So that's Gaston County. Let's move ahead and look at the numbers for Charlotte. Charlotte, for the past week, we're looking at 1,402 homes currently on the market. New listings, 197. Average days on the market, 86. Home prices average 562.79. Just want to recap one thing you might have noticed if you looked at, if you watched the report that I did last Monday, which covered all of November. You'll notice that the 7-day report we're doing right now, the weekly averages on the home prices are actually up. So that's a spike in the trend. Again, rising house prices because of the issues of supply and demand. So it's a strong market. It's a good market. It's a great market to sell. You may have heard that it's tough for buyers. I'm going to tell you that largely depends on the real estate agent you choose. And I hope you hear me when I say that. It is important that you have a good agent, because in this market, it's not just about home price. There's a lot of factors to consider when you're preparing an offer, and you want to make sure your offer is structured in a way that is going to be good for you and that is going to be attractive to sellers. And that you just have to have an agent. A lot of agents are just writing high offers and thinking that's going to work, but there's so much more that needs to be considered right now in this market. Before I end this market report, I want to show you a couple of homes that are on the market that are new. There is a home here in Belmont. Now, this isn't new within the past 7 days. It's actually been on the market 10 days, but man, is it gorgeous. This is a beautiful home located out on 2029 Wade Hampton Circle here in Belmont. It's a beast. It's a roomy home, which we are finding right now people are really attracted to because people are having to do homeschool. People are having to work from home. They're having to do their workout at home because gyms are closed, schools are closed, workplaces are closed. So homes this size are very attractive right now. Anything with 4 bedrooms up, and if you've got additional spare rooms, that's an added bonus. But this is a great home in Belmont. Just wanted to show it to you. 5 bedroom, 4 bath, a little over 2,900 square feet. A fairly newer home, built in 2013, listed right now at $399,900. As with anything I show you, if you want to see more photos, I'm only able to show so much on the screen and in a limited time. But if you want to see this home, just let me know. I'll be happy to send you some pictures, but more importantly, we can schedule a private showing. I can take you in the home, show you around. This is sure to be a great home, especially if you're looking for something this size. And of course, Belmont, what a beautiful town to live in. Those of you who are here know exactly what I'm talking about. Quick access to Charlotte, the rest of Gaston County, right off the interstate. Belmont is right off the interstate. Everything's close. Really great home. The second home I'm going to show you, this is a new listing that is in Charlotte, and this is actually listed by a colleague of mine, Shirley Lau, and I was able to do hosted an open house for her. So I was in this home this weekend, and it is impressive. This is a smaller home right at 1,500 square feet. It's in the Shamrock Gardens area of Charlotte, right near Noda Plaza. You can see the city skyline right from that area. It's a beautiful area, quick access to so many things. For those of you who are in the area, you know Noda Plaza, really hip, really happening area. And this is a house that's been renovated. It's an older home built in 1955, but they did a fantastic job renovating it. Again, I've seen this one, spent several hours there on Saturday, walked the property, got a good look at it. Really great home, and it's at a great price. It originally listed for $399,000. The price has been dropped to $375,000. That's a great price drop. It also indicates that we may have some motivated sellers on the selling side, but this is a great home. Again, if you want to see it, I would love to show it to you. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, $375,000 right now. So this is a great find if you're looking for something like that. So this is, again, a great market. I'm not going to keep saying that. I'm going to try not to, but it is so true. This is a fantastic time to be selling your home. And again, buying, don't be scared of it. It's just the nature of the market. Markets change. This market right now is projected to look this strong well into 2021, but anything can happen. You're always going to deal with market factors. Don't let that scare you away, but rather talk to somebody who knows what they're doing. Get in touch with a real estate agent. Get in touch with me. I have seen in this past year, I was sharing this with someone earlier, 2/3 of the offers I've worked both on the selling side and on the buying side. 2/3 of the offers I've seen that were accepted were not accepted just because they had the highest offer price, but because the offer was structured in such a way that it was attractive to sellers. And there's multiple ways to structure an offer to make sure that it catches the attention of the seller. If you're on the buying side, you want someone who knows how to write a good offer, not just throw out the highest number, because that might not be best for you, and it might not be exactly what the sellers are looking for. Obviously, sellers always want to sell their house at the highest value, at the highest price, but there are many other considerations that sellers take into account when choosing an offer or accepting an offer when going through those offers. So that's our market report for today. Hope everyone has a great week. I'm going to put my contact information up here as we close out, just so you know how to get in touch with me. But make sure that if you have any questions whatsoever, even if you're not ready to buy, even if you're not ready to sell, contact me. Let's see how I can help you, how I can serve you. This is a business that means a lot to me. I love helping people. I love working with clients, and it would mean the world to me if you contact me and let me know how I can help you. So you can call me. Here's my phone number on the screen, 741-8728. You can see my email there, my website. Again, if you have any questions, any comments, or if you need anything, do not hesitate to contact me. I would really, and honestly, I just look forward to hearing from folks. So yeah, get in touch with me. Let's see what we can do for you. Enjoy your week. Have a great Monday.